Hello guys, welcome to this new video. As you see, Munich has a today snowy weather, so it's snowing for 2 days and it's looking good. So in this beautiful weather, we'll be looking at the Blink video doorbell, which is a company of Amazon. So it supports Alexa and many more other stuff. So let's get started to the video. This is a smart doorbell, which is production of Amazon, or we can say the Blink company, which is a part of Amazon. So it is a very much good smart doorbell. It is a night vision also, and it is operated by power supply or battery too. And we can record with the use of memory card, and we can record on the NAS storage also. So when we open it, we get this a black box and some stuff written on the bottom of the box. We can also see the icon of the doorbell, how it can look. So when we open it, we see the prescription on the left side and doorbell on the right side. It is a very good quality doorbell with a tactic button and a camera on the front. We can also see the manual instruction for the fitting on the walls or any of the sides. The clamp is given and the screws and the battery is also provided in the box. The quality of the product and the packaging is way more good. It does not feel any cheap or less price product. It cost only around 54 euros in Germany. I don't know about the India, but the Indian prices will be given in the description below. So let's to check it out. Company also provides Energizer lithium-ion battery. So it's good that we don't have to purchase from external use. The doorbell looks very much good and feels sturdy in the hand. It has a barcode backside, reset button, and the power supply terminals also. So we can use it via battery also. The installation, when we click on the doorbell, it will blink red. So for installation, we have to go to Blink application, which is available on Play Store and App Store also. So when you have to log in with your Gmail ID, you can create it. And then you click on plus and we get a list of supported apps by Blink. So it has a lot of Blink products online. So our is doorbell camera and we click and it will ask to scan the barcode behind the Blink doorbell. So I will now set up the doorbell at my house and I will look at the quality and will post the video soon. If you want the video of setup, then tag me in the comment regarding the setup. So thank you for watching the video. I will see you next time.